Okay, this exercise is to tone down a meridian called your triple warmer, sometimes called your triple heater meridian. Okay, this meridian is responsible for controlling your fight, flight, or freeze response. So anybody who's very stressed, this would be an excellent exercise for. We're also including it in my book to help you sleep because we have a lot of stress and anxiety, right? We're not calm, we can't get sleep at night. So it's a good exercise to do before you go to bed if you're having sleep issues. So what you're going to do is you're going to trace the meridian backwards, right? The meridian starts at the corner of your ring finger at the nail, runs up the back of your hand, back of your shoulder, runs around your ear and to the corner of your eyebrow. So we're going to go in reverse order. So we'll take a couple of fingers. We'll start at the eyebrow, okay? Take a deep breath in through your nose, relaxing breath in, then out through your mouth. Right? If you're having clogged nose or something like that, you can breathe out through your mouth. That's okay as well. All right, but you can take a deep breath in, take that out. And as you breathe out, you're going to just trace the meridian. Right, you're going to go back towards what's called the tragus, which is that little fleshy part of your ear. Once you get there, you're going to trace around your ears, and you're going to go back down. And we'd like to just hang your hands a little bit on your traps for a breath, right? Just because it's a little special area for when we have anxiety and tension. So, and then from here, what we're going to do, probably best if we did a cross turn because the meridian, right, we can't go down this way. So if we're from here, we can just cross, go down the back of our arms and down the back of our hands, right? Sometimes it's better to do one at a time, right? We start here. I'll go from the side. I'll wait here for a breath. Then I'll continue down the back of the arm, and out finger. Okay, you can do it about 3 times each side. Okay, at the end, you can shake your hands off to help dissipate some of that energy. Also, I forgot to mention before you start, sometimes it's a good idea to rub your hands and shake them out just to get some of that energy flowing. All right, and you start again. Just to recap, you start here, go around, go down the back of the shoulder, hang over here for a breath, come down, back of the arm, comes down to the corner of the nail. All right, give that a shot. Hopefully it'll help, calm down your anxiety, also help you sleep. All right, take care.